Click on your text. At the top right corner, go to Share. So click on See All. And then click on Copy to Clipboard. Now what this does is that it converts your text into an image. And so when you paste that again into Canva, now you can see this is no longer text, this is actually an image. And in images, we can flip the image itself by going to the top, clicking on Flip, and we can flip this horizontally or vertically. If I were just to copy the text by using Ctrl C or Command C, depending on if you're using a Mac or PC, and I paste it here, this still acts as a text. And in the top option toolbar here, you do not have the option to flip. It's only when you convert it into an image do you have the option to flip it. Now let's say, for example, I have a background color here. I'm just going to change this to a different background color. Now you'll notice that this is still in a white background color. So what I can do is I can remove the background of this image, because right now technically this is an image, by going to the top and clicking on Background Remover. Now this feature is for pro users, so if you're on a free plan and if you want to use the Background Remover, you would have to upgrade to Pro plan to be able to use this Background Remover. And so now I remove the background from the text, which was originally a white color, and now I can flip it and then reshape it to try to match this text. So something like this. And that's how you flip text. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.